the next drift event. This is a very low power car, so it's not going to be the same.
Oh no.
Style I'm used to. The roof is so distracting that because there's a lot of stress in it, it makes a lot of noise.
Oh no.
So we're going to cut out all the stress material. Alright, we're going to cut out all the stress material and we're going to clean the edges up on this with the flat bits.
Give me
wire wheel that, wire wheel this, and we are going to epoxy a new roof skin right on top of the old roof.
Oh man. We're gonna make a bunch of noise. So we got a drift event tomorrow. His roof is really garbage. We're gonna chop his roof off. We're gonna glue another roof on. It's gonna look terrible, but it's gonna be a lot better than what it is now. So follow along with us in this short video and
For more than 10
enjoy.
I'm going to say right now, for more than 5 to 15 feet away, you won't even be able to tell there's a different roof skin on there. And it's so distracting, like I can't drive the car hardly because it's so fucking loud.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's bad. So let's get to chopping. All right, so I flipped the hood. I'm gonna work on sanding off all the burr on here. Wow.
Alright, we're done cutting for the day. Just gonna leave it Flintstone style.
We made a double moonroof. Hell yeah. Look at that. You gotta get inside and go, woo! Alright, well there she is. We glued down a roof and it looks terrible. I really hope this doesn't make as much noise and rattle as much as yours did with the sunroof delete. So here's our edge.
You want to see the next project for the car?
Ooh.
3-flanged. We'll probably run a T2 turbo. It's flanged for T3 right now.
That'll be fun. So he's probably just gonna sand it, run a little bead of JB Weld here and some Bondo. Like you said, it's not a big issue. This car's kind of a drift car.
All we're doing is making it so if you're 5 feet away, 15 feet away, you don't know. Like, it's not gonna jump out. The other roof right here, you can see that from a fisheye lens from 100 feet. And the noise was so distracting as a driver that I wasn't doing my job driving. So this is just gonna make it, it's still gonna be there, but if you're a little bit ways away or if you're in the grandstands and I'm on the track, you won't know.
Well, and you put a wrap on this too. You wouldn't even see it.
Oh, absolutely. We can wrap this car. But we'll blend the edges with after the rest of it's cured. We need all of that to cure before we can blend anything.
Yeah. My favorite part is we cut up a perfectly good coupe for this. R.I.P. coupes.